Men are alive. Hello, hello, how are we doing? Can you hear me, both of you? Summit and Men are alive. Can you hear me? How's everyone doing? Hello, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. How are we all doing? We got one person in the live. How are we all doing? So I'm going to give you my pre-market analysis, my pre-market game plan. For those who are here, let's see how are we doing. So 10 minutes into the live, so I started at 2 p.m. UK time every day. So um that is Yeah, so that's now going to be 9 a.m. Eastern time every day. We're going over some live market analysis. So the secret when it comes to live market analysis is we use candlesticks, but we also use order flow. Well, I'm going to be going through order flow later on in the stream, right? So I've stopped sharing my screen. Let me just share my screen. So I'll go for the entire screen like this. Yeah. So if people can see my screen, let me know. Right. Let's see. This is what we need, right? This is what we're looking at. So we're now looking, can everyone see the S&P 500? S&P 500, everyone should be able to see that, S&P 500, right? So this is the kind of secret, and we're going to be using the footprint charts to analyze, right? So this is the same chart, 15-minute chart, but this is now a 15-minute fair value gap. This 15-minute fair value gap is the basis of my entire pre-market analysis. So my pre-market analysis comes off a 15-minute fair value gap, and that's what you see over here, 15-minute fair value gap. So what I am looking for is I want to see price do two things, right? So we just go back to the candlestick chart. I want to see price either come in, respect this zone, and then we see buyers, or we see weakness from this area. We see buyers fail to drive price higher, and we sell. And this could be a really good sell setup because we have the Asian low down here. We've got tons of imbalance from yesterday as well. So we've got lots of things to look out for, lots of things to understand. So we're going to be waiting for market open just to give us our overall market sentiment, right? So if anyone has any questions, let me know. Let me know. Any questions from you, Summit? Jiswani, Men are alive. How are we doing? How are we doing? Hope we're all good. What do you think of the US elections? Very happy Trump won. A lot of people are, but a lot of people aren't. So I'll get to I'll get to No, but then it went to four. Yeah. But let's give these some point. Yeah. Market analysis, pre-market. So my pre-market analysis is going to be on YouTube from now on, and you guys are more than welcome to join my free Discord. So in the free Discord, we're going to be kind of going over a lot more of education. We're going to be going over my game plans, how I set up my game plans, all these different things. So for those who are interested, what we do is we have free Discord here, right? So this is the free Discord. Feel free to join this if you want. Free, if I pin that. So the free Discord is pinned at the top. So for those who are interested, we've got free Discord. We've got tons of education there, lots of things that people can check out. So if you want to check that out, feel free. Live trading, live trading. Let's also go over some game plans on the forex as well while we're at it. So the forex pairs. So forex pairs again, Euro USD. I have made it clear that my bias is bullish for Euro USD, depending on how New York behaves. Just to give people an overview of this particular market. So now look at how prices behaved. I mean, we have a massive dealing range over here, structural high, structural low. We've come into the discount. This is the 50% level over here. So price has come into a decent discount. We're in a firm discount over here. That's the first thing. We've also filled the fair value gap. So we had an inefficiency over here. Price has filled the fair value gap. So we're in discount and we filled a bullish fair value gap. So now from here, I expect higher prices. But for us to actually get higher prices, look at the 15-minute time frame, right? So we had this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was a crazy Asian session because of the elections. But putting that to one side, we have the weekly opening over here, and the weekly opening will. What I'm looking for is a break above this high over here. I'm looking for a break above this high. If we break above this high, right? So this high is 1.07818. So if we break this is going to be the structure point I'm interested in. If we break this, then from here, I want to see price break this, then come down into a fair value gap before heading higher. This is going to be the catalyst for higher prices, but we need to see the entry model set up. So we're looking for a time-based fair value gap along with the market structure shift, and we're going to be entering off a fair value gap over here. So this can be a fair value gap entry or a breaker entry or an order block or an OTE, all these different types of entries you can get here. The main thing is understanding time and price, right? We don't have any news events today, so no major spikes to look out for. But this is something I'm looking out for in euro dollar. Same with pound dollar. If we understand how pound dollar is behaving, even better, we're actually in a daily fair value gap, right? We're in some kind of a daily fair value gap. So we have some kind of strength from this area. If this fair value gap holds, then we can expect higher prices. Again, 15-minute time frame, we're below the weekly openings. This basically the same as euro dollar. So we had previous week low as well. So the 31st of October, we saw the high get swept over here. Sorry, the low, sorry. We see, has the low been swept? Is it equal lows? Yep, the low has been swept. You can see a sweep of liquidity over here. This liquidity has been swept. Now from here, this could be the low of the week or definitely the low of the day. We could see a liquidity sweep here, right? This could be the confirmed Judah swing. It's not confirmed yet because we haven't had a market structure shift. Again, I want to see a market structure shift. So I'm looking for price to take out this high. When price takes out this high, then we can look, then we want to see price number one trade up, break structure, come down into a fair value gap before heading higher. We want to come into a discounted fair value gap. So we want to see price come into this region over here. This is how I look for trades, right? We're below the weekly opening and the rest of it is baby pips, basic market structure, basic analysis. This is how we do it. Keep it mechanical, keep it systematic, right? This is how I trade. Now, I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't catch this move. This was way out of my session. This was at midnight midnight UK time. So I'm not looking to trade that time. I'm not looking to trade the elections or anything crazy like that. Just, looking to follow my plan, follow my edge. That's it. That's all I'm looking to do. That's it. Same with euro dollar. Same it with the S&P 500 or the ES, right? So let's see how price behaves near this zone. Hello, everyone. Hello. How are we doing? Now, I'm going to try and introduce it to people.
Advice when we have to like all the time. Yeah, that for on. Okay, yeah, nothing. Hello, how? Hey. Oh, yeah, that's yeah. I think. I think if the epic is quick, somebody send up people have sculptures. Oh, sorry, sorry. Sorry about it. See, it took you just a short time for 13%. Sorry, thank you. Okay, what if I little? So, whatever, as a time, it's very important. Okay, so, but I need to, it was not the first, but,